Okay, how to oil your machine. You have to be careful of the holes on your machine. You don't oil the whole part. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. You see how I'm going to oil the machine, maybe like a drop or two. Yes, it's okay. Shouldn't be much. Okay, so and this part also. Okay, here. If possible, you can put in here, that's also that this part will not be too tight, and if there's any dirt you can just bring it down. Then also here you oil, yes, just maybe once. Okay, we are done. So the leg of your machine, if you find that as you're pedaling or riding your machine, the feet is a bit stiff, then you come down and oil, yes, the nut part where you have your press, yes, your presser foot pedal rather. Okay, so okay, then the upper part here, just oil it, and that's it. Thank you.